If you want to start using Trading 212, you should click on the link in the description to get the free share up to $100 when creating an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change leverage on Trading 212. First, launch Trading 212 on your mobile devices and make sure you already have an account and log into your account. If you aren't already logged in or if you don't have yet an account, you can just create it by clicking sign up. But in this case, I already have an account. Now in the app, make sure you're in CFD mode by clicking the balance of your Trading 212 account. Now switch it to CFD. You can use a real money in here, but in this case, to give you all an idea, I'm just going to use a virtual money so I can show you the leverage here in Trading 212 app. Now wait to load this up because it's switching to CFD. As you can see here, a list of stocks. Now to check the leverage, click the Forex, and once you click it, you will see there a leverage. By the way, guys, leverage is only available in this account type, which is CFD mode, contract for difference. And if you're in another mode, such as invest or ISA, switch it to CFD. Now, click this GBP USD, but still it's up to you which stocks you are going to use. But in this case, this is just for an example. Now you will see here the graph. To find the instrument, scroll down and you will see there a instrument. Click that instrument details and you will see here the details of the forex pair that you choose. Now you will see here the leverage. This only shows that Trading 212 applies to trades for this specific instrument. By the way, guys, leverage settings are preset by Trading 212 according to regulatory standards and can't be adjusted for individual trades in CFD accounts. So, meaning to say, you cannot manually adjust leverage on individual trades in Trading 212 CFD account. The leverage levels are set by Trading 212 and they are based on the asset you're trading. If you're interested in a specific leverage, you may need to consider other platforms that allow flexible leverage adjustment on, say, FT trading. Or you can apply for a professional account with Trading 212 if you meet their criteria. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.